Before lifting the car, it's preferable to remove the shock absorber while the car is still sitting on all four wheels, so it's not completely extended to the shock absorber's maximum length. Start by unbolting the top end of the shock absorber using a 9/16 wrench or ratchet. Unbolt the lower attachment of the shock absorber. Once that is done, you'll be able to move the shock absorber out of the way. If you don't have access to a professional lifting device, you can use a hydraulic jack or screw jack, such as the one provided with your vehicle. When lifting the car with a jack, first put the parking brake on. Place blocks on each side of the other three wheels, most importantly, the diagonally opposite wheel, to prevent any movement of the car during the installation. Unlock the wheel nuts with your wheel nut wrench while the tire is still on the ground. Now that the shock absorber is off, you'll need to raise the vehicle 2 or 3 inches higher than you normally would when you're moving or changing your tire. You may need to add 1 or 2 small wooden blocks under your jack to get the extra height you require. Raise the wheel until the tire is off the ground. Remove the wheel and set it aside. The area is now clear to work on removing the rusted material in the wheel well. Now on to step 3, removing the rusted material.